Good morning, students. This is second unit reading C. Susruta, an ancient plastic surgeon. Do you know who is Susruta? Susruta is an ancient physician. He wrote so many books in medicine. Susruta Samhita is one of the greatest book in the Indian history, in medical history. So let's see about Susruta. Susruta, an ancient plastic surgeon. This is reading C. It was midnight when Susruta was awakened by a frantic knocking at the door. It was midnight when Susruta was awakened by a frantic knocking at the door. "Who's out there?" asked the aged doctor. "Who is out there?" asked the aged doctor, taking a lighted torch from its socket in the wall and approaching the door. "Who is out there?" asked the aged doctor, taking a lighted torch from its socket in the wall and approaching the door. "I am a traveler," my revered Susruta was anguished reply. "A tragedy has befallen me. I need your help." "I am a traveler," my revered Susruta was anguished reply. Let's observe here. That is midnight. One man came to Susruta's house and he wake up doctor. He knocked the door. Then doctor wake up and come. "Who is there?" Doctor. When the man outside knocked the door so many times, then the doctor wake up and come to the nearer to the door. Come to nearer to the door. He asked, "Who is out there?" Asked the aged doctor. He is a very old man. Taking a lighted torch from his socket, he take one torchlight from his bag, which is tagged in a bag on wall, and approaching the door, and he starting walk towards the door. Then outside there is one voice. He says, "I am a traveler." My revered Susruta was anguished reply. Here, respect. Revered means respect. "A tragedy has befallen me. I need your help." He asked some help. He faced some dangerous condition, disaster or calamity. He faced problem. Befallen, overtake. Susruta opened the door. Susruta opened the door. When he saw was a man kneeling before him. He fell down on his knees and he prayed the doctor, "Please save me." Tears flowing from his eyes and blood from his disgraced nose. Disfigured nose. Disfigured means to spoil. Someone beat him on his nose, so blood was flowing there. Disfigured means spoiled or deface. Blood flowing from his nose. "Get up, son. Come in," said Susruta. Get up, you, my son, and come in," said Susruta. "Everything will be all right, but be quiet now." Everything will be all right, but be quiet now. Doctor advised him, "Don't afraid. Be silent." He led the stranger to a neat and clean room, was surgical, with surgical instruments on its wall. He washed his face with water and the juice of medicinal plant. He then offered him a mug of wine and began preparing for the operation. Students, let's observe some of glossaries in this paragraph. Awakened means waken, frantic, emotion, knocking, strike a surface noisily to attract attention. Socket, place in, approaching, coming nearer in distance. Revered, respect, anguished, experienced. Anguished, experience. Tragedy, disaster. Befallen, overtake. Kneeling, fall on, fall to one's knee. Disfigured, spoiled, deface. Creeper, a plant that on ground. Stranger, a person whom one does not know. Moaned, wail or groan. Here, some assignment questions are given here. Observe, who is Susruta? Who awakened Susruta at midnight? What do you mean by the word frantic? Why was the traveler anguished? These are some assignment questions from above paragraph. I read so many times these paragraphs and answered these questions. Thank you.